How to turn on screen recording in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to control center and then press and hold on blank space, and here you can see the option add a control. Click on add a control, and here you see the option screen recording. Click on screen recording, and here you can see your screen recording will be add in your control center, and then single tap on blank space. And if you want to turn on screen recording, then simply swipe down to control center and press and hold on screen recording, and here you can select a place where you want to save your screen recording, and here you can turn on your screen recording mic, and here your screen recording will be started. Your screen will be recorded, and if you want to stop your screen, then simply click on this red icon, and here you can stop your screen recording. The another way to screen your recording, then swipe down to control center and again click on screen recording. Your screen recording will be stopped, and in gallery you can see your screen recording. So this is the way to turn on screen recording in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.